some of the member. So good evening, everyone. This is Hem Singh Patle. So welcome in this boot camp, building new habits. So why we need habits? Okay, first of all, the first question is why we need habits. हमें habit की ज़रूरत क्यों है, right? ऐसा क्या है कि without habit we cannot manage. Okay, so if you want to live better life, you need a better habit. Okay, if you want to achieve success, you need habits, because to achieve any success we need to follow certain different routines, different path that we can develop through the habits only. First reason. Second reason is, if we are not building the habits, so what will happen? We will depend upon someone to get the energy for the motivation. Okay, so whenever we feel motivated, we will act, we will take the action. And whenever we are not motivated, we will not be able to perform the task. Okay, so motivation energy is available, that time only you are taking action. Motivation is not there and you are not taking action, it means you are depending upon motivation. Okay, so habit is, you no need to depend upon motivation or any external source of energy. Okay, initially you are motivated by watching some videos or someone is inspiring you, motivating you, that's okay. But after that your habit will play a role. Okay, so what happens, like you are attending some sessions for 1 day or 2 day, or you are attending some workshop, so that time you are feeling highly motivated, right? You will be agree with me, that time you feel highly motivated. And if somebody asks you, can you perform this task, so your answer will be yes, I can do it, I can easily perform. मैं बहुत आसानी से कर सकता हूँ. इमेजिन करो कि आप एक वर्कशॉप में हो, एक फिजिकल वर्कशॉप हो रहा है और उसके अंदर आप हो. सो मॉर्निंग से इवनिंग तक यू आर अटेंडिंग द वर्कशॉप, यू आर हाईली मोटिवेटेड, फुल्ली चार्ज, राइट? और उस समय ऐसा लगता है कि नाउ फ्रॉम टुमारो मॉर्निंग आई कैन डू एनीथिंग. From tomorrow morning, I will wake up early in the morning. From tomorrow morning, I will go for running, jog, exercise. मैं सब कुछ कर लूंगा. But what happens? From tomorrow morning, you feel some resistance, right? Mind में है कि I have to do all these things, but still you feel some resistance. Why? Because you were motivated by someone else. तो हमें उस मोटिवेशन से स्टार्ट करना है. Then we have to build a habit, right? And it must be for long lasting. Okay, so don't think I need to build a habit for 1 month, 2 month or 3 month. No, your habit must be long lasting for your entire life. Okay, so now moving on to psychology of habit. So first we'll understand what is the psychology of habit. To understand the psychology of habit, we need to understand three things. As you can see in the slide, first one is cue, second one is routine, and third one reward. Now question comes कि cue क्या है? What is cue? Okay, so cue means any idea, any suggestion, any thought that came in your mind. It may be your own thought, वो आपका खुद का थॉट हो सकता है, योर ओन बेबी, और यू इंस्पायर्ड बाय समवन एल्स, या किसी और के माइंड से वो आपके माइंड में आया है. लेट्स से you are talking to somebody, then this thought came in your mind, from tomorrow morning you have to wake up early. Okay, so you borrow that thought, right? You got this trigger from someone else. After talking to your friends, you come to know book reading is a very good habit. Okay, so that is the cue, that is the trigger, right? So first point to understand the habit loop is cue, trigger. Okay, so it may be your own trigger, or somebody inspired you, or you got the idea from someone else. Okay, so the first is cue. Now the second is routine, whatever process you follow every single day, your routine. Okay, so you got the idea, so you can easily build the routine. Okay, you can set your routine. Third one is the reward. So what is the reward? Whenever you are building any new habit, right, or you are breaking any bad habit, just think about the reward. Okay, reward means benefit. If I develop this habit, what reward I am going to get. Suppose I have started book reading habit. So what kind of reward I am going to get if I build book reading habit? So answer is very simple. I have started book reading habit means I will get lot many ideas. First thing, my vocabulary will improve, my knowledge will improve, my wisdom level will go up. बाकी लोगों की तुलना में मेरा जो ज्ञान है वो बहुत डिफरेंट होगा, मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग अलग होगी, my perspective will be different, my thinking process will be different. So these are the rewards of book reading habit. Okay, if I take the second example, if I am building a habit of waking up early in the morning, so what is the reward? We all know if we are waking up early in the morning, we have a lot many times available, right? Silent times available that we can use it for any purpose, maybe for exercise, yoga, meditation, pranayam, goal writing, book reading. So we all know the benefit. So whenever you are building any new habit, give the message to your mind, this reward I am going to get if I build this habit. यदि मैं यह हैबिट बिल्ड करता हूं तो मुझे यह रिवॉर्ड मिलने वाला है, मुझे यह बेनिफिट मिलने वाला है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस हैबिट. So this is about the psychology of habit. So always remember three things. Q means idea, thought, trigger. Second one is routine and third one is reward. Reward means benefit. So जब भी आप कोई नई हैबिट बिल्ड करेंगे, always think about the reward कि मैं क्या रिवॉर्ड उस हैबिट से मुझे मिलने वाला है. Okay, now you are seeing this picture, you can see a small tree, right? Two leaves are there and habit is written over there. So what does it mean? Okay, so whenever you are building any new habit, जब भी आप कोई नई habit build कर रहे हैं, so always remember it is just like a small saplings. एक छोटा सा पौधा आप plant कर रहे हैं. ओके क्या होता है, हमने कोई मोटिवेशनल वीडियो देखा, कोई प्रोग्राम अटेंड किया, हम हाईली मोटिवेटेड हो गए. ओके और कल से ही हमने अपना अलार्म 6 बजे की जगह 5 बजे शिफ्ट कर लिया. इनिशियली यू आर वेकिंग अप एट 6 बट आपने नेक्स्ट डे से 5 शिफ्ट कर लिया. और व्हाट विल हैपन, you will feel comfortable for 3-4 days, maximum 1 week, and after that you will feel difficulty to build that habit, you will feel difficulty to wake up early in the morning. तो आपने क्या किया, आपने सडनली कुछ चेंज करने की कोशिश की एंड योर बॉडी इज रेजिस्टिंग टू दैट. So always remember when you are building any new habit, it is just like a small saplings, एक छोटा सा पौधा है जो कि आपने आज ही प्लांट किया है. So what you have to do, you have to nurture it. आपको उसको नर्चर करना पड़ेगा, डेली पानी देना पड़ेगा, सनलाइट देनी पड़ेगी, राइट? आपको निगेटिव इन्वायरमेंट से बचाना पड़ेगा. सो लाइक आपने कोई नई हैबिट बिल्ड करने की कोशिश की है, यू आर गोइंग टू बिल्ड एनी न्यू हैबिट, सो यू हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम निगेटिव इन्वायरमेंट. ओके, if you are going to share with lot many people, then definitely somebody will comment, some negative comments will be there. You cannot do it, है ना, this is not your cup of tea, तुमसे नहीं होगा, and you will feel demotivated. So same thing when you plant any small saplings, you have to take care, right? आपको उसको पूरी टेक केयर करनी पड़ेगी, प्रॉपरली उसको नर्चर करना पड़ेगा. सो सेम थिंग अप्लाइज विथ योर न्यू हैबिट्स. व्हेन यू आर बिल्डिंग एनी न्यू हैबिट, यू हैव टू नर्चर इट, right? Every single day invest small amount of time, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So you are nurturing your new habit. Okay, so what will happen when you invest 5-10 minutes every single day, when you are repeating any new behavior every single day, so something will happen in your mind, right? आपके ब्रेन में कुछ होगा. जो न्यूरॉन्स है, वी ऑल नो न्यूरॉन्स आर देयर इन आवर ब्रेन. सो न्यूरॉन्स क्रिएट्स स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रेन पाथ. जो न्यूरॉन्स है वो एक स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रेन पाथ क्रिएट करते हैं. अब यदि मैं आपको बोलूं कि यू हैव टू इन्वेस्ट 1 hours ओनली इन 1 year, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, ब्रेन पाथ जो है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होगा, राइट? सो टू बिल्ड एनी न्यू हैबिट, आपको ब्रेन पाथ स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है. और वो कैसे होगा, व्हेन यू रिपीट द बिहेवियर फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, right? 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. So the more you repeat the behavior, the brain path will be very strong. Neurons will create a strong bonding and that will be difficult to break. इसलिए बोलते हैं कि एक बार जो अच्छी आदत लग जाती है वो ब्रेक नहीं होती, बिकॉज ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्डिंग्स ऑफ न्यूरॉन्स. सो थर्ड पिक्चर इज अबाउट माइंड. So subconscious mind plays a very important role in any habit. जो भी हैबिट आप बिल्ड करेंगे या ब्रेक करेंगे, उसमें आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड का बहुत ज्यादा रोल होगा, राइट? सो दैट वी विल कवर इन दिस स्लाइड. So now if you see this 18, 21, 66, 254, you can see this number 18, 21, 66, 254. So what is the meaning of this number? Okay, so if I ask you ki how many days are required to build any habit, definitely you all will reply it takes 21 days to build any new habit. Okay, because हमने ये पढ़ा हुआ है, कहीं ना कहीं हमने पढ़ा है. So this idea of 21 days came from this book Psycho Cybernetic, written by Dr. Maxwell, right? So he did one surgery, and from there he derived this concept ki it takes 21 days to build any new habit. But in reality, we all are unique, right? We all are different. So it's we cannot say that ki it will take exact 21 days to build any habit. It varies with person to person. It varies with habit to habit कि आप कौन सी हैबिट बिल्ड करना चाह रहे हैं, राइट? मैं यदि आपको बोलूं कि आपको 5 पुशअप्स एवरी सिंगल डे करना है, so it will not take more than 21 days. But if I say you have to do 100 push-ups every single day, so that is not going to possible in 21 days. वो 21 days में build नहीं हो सकती, right? You can start running 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, but immediately you cannot run for 15 to 20 kilometer. It will take time. So this concept of 21 days habit building is not valid in current time. So on an average 66 days are required to build any habits. But what I feel कि we should not worry about the days and month कि नई हैबिट बिल्ड करने में मुझे कितना दिन लगेगा, 66 लगेगा या 21 लगेगा. We must think कि why I am building this habit, मेरा पर्पस क्या है इस हैबिट को बिल्ड करने के पीछे, right? I am going to build this habit for my life, and entire life I will follow this habit. So don't worry about 21 days or 66 days or 254 days. Just think about कि I am building this habit for my whole life. Okay. So don't worry about that time period कि मुझे कितने दिन invest करने हैं इस habit building के लिए. So is it clear to everyone?
It is clear for me.
If you have any query, you can note it down. So now coming to the anti-procrastination habit. So first of all, what is procrastination, right? So the definition is very simple. Delay in taking action and delay in decision making is procrastination. Okay. So we all do the procrastination and we all are procrastinator. At some point of time, हम सभी लोग कुछ ना कुछ procrastinate तो करते हैं, right? But how to not get things done, that is also the definition of procrastination. But when we start delaying the most important work, let's say जो काम मुझे आज खत्म करना था, if I am not completing that work today, right? So it will create some problem. So that procrastination is not good. Okay. So if we are delaying the most important work and that most important work is going to affect my life, so that procrastination is not good. Okay. Now, why we procrastinate? हम procrastination क्यों करते हैं? The root cause of procrastination comes from subconscious belief. So why do we procrastinate? Generally, we feel कि we are not prepared for that. Excuses. One is excuses. Sir, I am not ready today. Procrastination. I don't have enough information. मेरे पास पर्याप्त information नहीं है. I am not prepared. I don't have enough information. I am not mentally ready. मेरा मूड नहीं कर रहा है. That is also procrastination. Excuses. मेरे पास resources भी नहीं है. I don't have a time. मेरे पास time भी नहीं है. Right? So we put all these excuses and we procrastinate. Now the point comes कि how can we overcome the the problem of procrastination. Procrastination is a kind of a disease, we can say that कि एक तरीके की बीमारी है. So what happens when we procrastinate? So end of the month, the whole work piled up, right? And we feel stressed. So it's better कि don't procrastinate. The simple thing how we can overcome this problem of procrastination. If you see this word procrastination, so pro then c, okay, if you pick this c and put it just after a, so c is your choice, okay, so it will become action, right? If you take the c from here and if you put it just after a, so it will become action, right? So the best way to kill procrastination is to take action, right? How you can cure procrastination? By taking action. उसके लिए हमें करना क्या होगा? सो फर्स्ट थिंग, ब्लॉक योर टाइम एवरी सिंगल डे. जो भी काम आपको करना है, वट एवर इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क यू वांट टू अकम्प्लिश, जस्ट ब्लॉक योर टाइम. लेट्स से 30 minutes, राइट? सो यू हैव टू ब्लॉक 30 minute टाइम. सेकेंड थिंग, सेट द रिमाइंडर फॉर दैट. ओके, वो 30 minutes कौन से होंगे? मे बी इन मॉर्निंग, मे बी इन आफ्टरनून, मे बी इन इवनिंग. सो यू हैव टू सेट द कैलेंडर, यू हैव टू ब्लॉक द टाइम. आपको अलार्म सेट करना पड़ेगा, राइट? देन जो नॉन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स है, यू कैन डेलीगेट और यू कैन एलिमिनेट, राइट? एंड फोकस ऑन दैट टास्क ओनली. आपको सिर्फ उसी काम पे फोकस करना है और बाकी काम पे फोकस नहीं करना है. बाय दैट वे यू कैन ओवरकम द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन. You can also follow this 80-20 rule, because 80% of output comes from 20% of efforts. So you have to find it out कि वो 20% कौन से काम हैं जो मुझे करने हैं, right? वो 20% काम कौन से हैं जो मुझे करने हैं, उसको भी आपको find out करना पड़ेगा. One more habit that will help you to break the habit of procrastination is asking questions, right? जब भी आपका procrastination का मन करे, whenever you feel you are procrastinating something, just ask yourself, is it important work or it's not important for me? How much critical it is for my business, for my life? मैं यदि काम को अभी नहीं करूंगा तो इसके क्या डिसएडवांटेज होंगे या क्या साइड इफेक्ट होंगे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आर नॉट वेकिंग अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, आप प्रोक्रास्टिनेट कर रहे हैं, तो व्हाट आर द साइड इफेक्ट्स? आप हेल्थ के लिए टाइम नहीं निकाल पाएंगे, राइट? सो आस्क योरसेल्फ, अपने आप से क्वेश्चन पूछिए कि इफ आई एम डिलेइंग दिस टास्क, सो व्हाट आर द साइड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ इट? इसके क्या क्या साइड इफेक्ट हैं यदि मैं इस काम को नहीं करता हूँ, राइट? सो व्हेनेवर यू आस्क योरसेल्फ, योर माइंड विल रिप्लाई, yes, lot many side effects are there, so it's better to do it. If I am not doing exercise, I'm feeling lazy, I'm giving some excuses, so what are the side effects? My weight will increase, right? I will feel lazy, I will not feel energetic. So ask yourself ki what are the side effects if I procrastinate. So by that way you can overcome the habit of procrastination. So is it clear to everyone? So many time we procrastinate because fear of failure. ठीक है, यदि मैंने एक्शन लिया तो फेल हो जाऊंगा, सो इट्स बेटर कि चलो मत करो काम को, है ना, इकट्ठा कर दो काम को. फियर ऑफ रिजेक्शन भी हो सकता है, राइट? मेनी टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ ओवर थिंकिंग, हमने बहुत ज्यादा सोच लिया, बहुत ज्यादा सोच लिया, बहुत ज्यादा सोच लिया, एंड वी बिकम नेगेटिव. बहुत सारे नेगेटिव थॉट्स हमारे माइंड में आ गए, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी आर नॉट टेकिंग एक्शन, उसको डिले करते जा रहे हैं, एंड that is procrastination. So it's a kind of disease, you can say that. So now coming to belief. So your belief creates your reality, okay, and we see the world through our own lens of belief. So what is belief? So consciously and subconsciously, whatever thoughts we have fitted in our mind, that creates our belief system, okay. Deep rooted thoughts, जो भी आपके deep rooted thoughts हैं, जो कि जड़ बना के बैठे हैं, deep rooted thoughts, those who are settled in your brain, in your mind, is your belief system, okay. And belief affect our life. If you are carrying positive belief, you will get the positive result. If you are carrying negative belief, you will get the negative result. Okay, so from where these beliefs are coming, I think some of you will be aware, we are carrying lot many beliefs since our childhood, from our parenting, from our upbringing, from friends, colleagues, relatives, education system, न्यूज, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया, प्रिंट मीडिया, ये सब भी हमारा बिलीफ क्रिएट करते हैं, राइट? सो बिलीफ triggers your emotion, belief influence your emotions influence your action, and your action influence your result. So let's say you are going to face some interview and you are going with the limiting belief or negative belief, I cannot crack this exam. Okay, so you are carrying this thought in your mind कि I cannot crack this exam. So जो आपके emotions होंगे that will be negative, right? Positive तो होंगे नहीं, क्योंकि you are carrying the limiting belief, so your emotion will be negative. When your emotion is negative, your action will not be 100%, right? आप ऑलरेडी लो फील कर रहे हो, नेगेटिव फील कर रहे हो, सो योर एक्शन कैन नॉट बी 100%, एंड व्हेन योर एक्शन इज नॉट 100%, योर रिजल्ट विल नॉट बी 100%. Okay, so we have to work on our belief. So what are the limiting beliefs? I am going to share very few examples. You can also note down your limiting belief. So we generally says कि life is tough, life बहुत tough है, right? This is also limiting belief. अपॉर्चुनिटी ओनली कम्स वंस, एक ही बार अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है, उससे ज्यादा नहीं मिलती. आई एम हेल्पलेस एंड आई हैव नो कंट्रोल, राइट? आई एम हेल्पलेस एंड आई हैव नो कंट्रोल इन माई लाइफ. दिस इज ऑल्सो लिमिटिंग बिलीफ. I don't deserve, I can't do this, it's impossible. This is just a few examples. Like for someone, I cannot wake up early in the morning. मैं सुबह जल्दी नहीं उठ सकता. I cannot write every single day. मैं रोज रोज नहीं लिख सकता. I cannot record my videos. मैं वीडियो नहीं बना सकता. I cannot read English book. मैं English book नहीं read कर सकता. Right? I cannot go on stage and speak out. मैं स्टेज पे जाके नहीं बोल सकता. I tried but मेरा वेट कम नहीं हो रहा है. मैं वेट कम कर ही नहीं सकता. मेरे से होगा ही नहीं. मैं ये काम कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा. ये मेरे बस का ही नहीं है. मैं नहीं कर सकता. ये क्या है? These are the beliefs. ये हमने अपने माइंड में सेटल करके रख रखा है. बिकॉज ऑफ सम पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस. हो सकता है आपने ट्राई किया, आप फेल हो गए और आपने उसको बिलीफ बना लिया, राइट? तो जब भी आप किसी से सजेशन लेते हैं, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, whenever you are taking any suggestion from anyone, उनके सजेशन में उनका बिलीफ मिक्स हो जाता है, राइट? their belief mixed with their suggestion. Always remember, if I say no, I cannot write a book, it's a cumbersome job, it means my belief is negative, right? And I'm sharing my belief with you. So many times we take the suggestion from our friends, relatives or neighbor, and because of their limiting belief we also start thinking in a that way. नहीं यार, मैंने कमल से बात की थी, कमल ने बोला नहीं ये तो आप कर ही नहीं सकते, आपसे होगा ही नहीं. बट हम भूल गए कि वो कमल का एक बिलीफ था, राइट? और वो हमें क्यों पता नहीं चला? क्योंकि हमें बिलीफ के बारे में अवेयरनेस नहीं है, राइट? तो अवेयरनेस होना बहुत जरूरी है. So now coming to empowering belief, left side we were talking about the limiting belief. Now we will talk about the empowering belief कि empowering belief कौन कौन से हैं. Empowering belief जो कि आपके अंदर एक एनर्जी फ्लो कर दे, राइट? आपको बहुत अच्छा महसूस कराए. Nobody can hurt me. Nobody can hurt me if I don't allow, right? This is also empowering belief. Life is great, right? Life is great. This is also empowering belief. Everything happens for a reason. जो कुछ भी होता है वो एक reason के लिए होता है. Everything is going to be all right. Whenever the tough situation comes, आप ये सोच सकते हैं everything is going to be all right. सब कुछ अच्छा हो जाएगा, right? Like current situation, everything is going to be all right. I can do this. Okay, I will fail. I will get less mark, but I can do this. I can attempt this. ओके, मे बी इन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट आई विल नॉट गेट द सक्सेस, मुझे सफलता नहीं मिलेगी, मेरा प्रोग्राम सेल नहीं होगा, बट स्टिल आई कैन डू दिस एंड आई डिजर्व दिस. Okay, so these are the some example of empowering belief. I'm a good speaker, I'm an excellent public speaker, I'm a confident person, I'm fearless, I'm energetic, I'm a massive action taker. These all are the examples of empowering belief, right? So when you practice the empowering belief, you get some kind of energy. आपको एक energy मिलती है, right? So now we will come to the subconscious mind and conscious mind. So there are two types of mind. I hope some of you are already aware. One is conscious mind and second one is subconscious mind. Okay. So conscious mind is about 5 to 10%. Some experts says it's 5%. Somebody says 10%. So let's consider that 5 to 10% is our conscious mind. Okay. Like you are attending this session. This is a conscious mind. You are talking to me. I'm replying to your questions. That is also conscious mind, right? So all the analysis work, thinking and planning, it's a part of conscious mind. And short term memory also, अभी याद है बाद में हम भूल गए, because of the conscious mind. But हमें क्या लगता है कि conscious mind ही सब कुछ है. And why we feel so? Because we don't have awareness. हमें वो awareness ही नहीं है, right? And because of that we feel कि conscious mind is everything. But my dear friends, conscious mind is hardly 5 to 10%, and rest is your subconscious mind, right? So you can see that this is conscious mind and this is subconscious mind. So all long term memory, आपकी जो भी long term memories है, that is stored in your subconscious mind. Your emotions, your feelings are stored in your subconscious mind. All the habit patterns, whether it's a good or bad, everything is stored in your subconscious mind. Your relationship pattern, addictions, जो बहुत सारे लोग addicted होते हैं smoking के, drinking के, why? Because of their subconscious mind programming. Okay, so bodily functions, creativity, all the development stages, spiritual connections and intuitions, so all these things are stored in your subconscious mind. So conscious mind is logical mind, reasoning mind, जो आप डिसीजन लेते हैं सही है या गलत है, that is your conscious mind, right? आपने डिसीजन लिया, this is right, this is wrong, that is conscious mind. But subconscious mind के पास में वो लॉजिकल पावर नहीं है, राइट? सबकॉन्शियस माइंड एनालिटिकल माइंड नहीं है, रीजनिंग माइंड नहीं है. जो भी चीज आपके कॉन्शियस माइंड से थ्रू रिपीटेशन सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जाएगी, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड विल एडमिट इट एज इट इज. चाहे गुड हैबिट्स है और बैड हैबिट्स है, जो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड विल एडमिट इट एज इट इज. सबकॉन्शियस माइंड एक्सेप्ट कर लेगा एज इट इज. जो भी आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, रिपीट करेंगे कंसिस्टेंटली, वो चीज आपके कॉन्शियस माइंड से सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में चली जाएगी. और सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इज नॉट गोइंग टू आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन वेदर इट इज राइट और रॉन्ग. इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ बैरन लैंड. वहां पे आप कुछ भी खेती कर सकते हो, राइट? राइस की या आपकी ग्रेन्स की. तो आप, क्योंकि खेत को यह नहीं पता कि आप उसमें क्या उगा रहे हो. सो सेम थिंग इज विद आवर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. You can feed negative thought, subconscious mind accept कर लेगा. You can feed positive thought, subconscious mind उसको accept कर लेगा, right? So mind deals with the images and emotions. तो generally आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि image लगा के रखो घर में, right? आप जैसा बनना चाहते हो वैसी image लगाओ. क्यों? क्योंकि you can program your subconscious mind. If you want to be excellent public speaker, एक एक्सीलेंट पब्लिक स्पीकर की इमेज लगाओ. इफ यू वांट टू राइट योर ओन बुक, बुक की एक इमेज लगाओ, राइट? सो व्हेन यू पुट द इमेज, आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड उसको धीरे 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 एडमिट कर लेता है, एक्सेप्ट कर लेता है, जो कि आपको पता भी नहीं चलता, राइट? सो वी ऑल कैन प्रोग्राम और सबकॉन्शियस माइंड बाय प्रैक्टिस. So 90 to 95% of our life is based on the program installed in our subconscious mind. जो हमारे माइंड में, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में प्रोग्रामिंग हो रखी है, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग ही हम काम कर रहे हैं, राइट? लेट्स से आपने रनिंग स्टार्ट की, 1 किलोमीटर रनिंग स्टार्ट की, फिर आपके माइंड से एक आवाज आती है, मैसेज आता है, रुक जा रुक जा रुक जा रुक जा, पैर दुख रहे हैं, घुटनों में दर्द हो रहा है, एंकल में पेन हो रहा है. सो दिस voice comes from your subconscious mind, but you start training your subconscious mind. यदि आप subconscious mind को train करते हो visualization के साथ में, meditation के साथ में, affirmation के साथ में, तो आप धीरे 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 अपनी running को increase कर सकते हो. Yes, I can run for 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer. I have all the potential, I have all the stamina, and I can do this, right? तो आप subconscious mind को कैसे program करेंगे? You can program your subconscious mind by meditation, right? MVA. Remember, note this, MVA. You can program your subconscious mind by M. M is meditation. You can program your subconscious mind by visualization, right? And you can program your subconscious mind by affirmation. So we all know about the meditation. We all know about the visualization, and we all know about the affirmation. So affirmation, especially, we are going to cover in second or third session. So this is about the subconscious mind and programming. And the last one is, this is an assignment for everyone. So what you can do, take a picture of it, or you can download this picture from Google. So the message is written by Tony Robbins. So whatever you hold in your mind on consistent basis is exactly what you will experience in your life. Okay. So whatever you hold in your mind on consistent basis is exactly what you will experience in your life. तो आपको करना क्या है? आपको इसका प्रिंट आउट लेना है, right? If it is possible, do it by this week or next week. और घर में कहीं भी इसको आपको पेस्ट करना है, and every single day you read it. Whatever you hold in your mind on consistent basis is exactly what you will experience in your life. Okay. So this is the assignment for everyone. And I'm going to write 2 book name. So this 2 book, I hope some of you already completed this book. So you have to start reading this Power of Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. And then the second book is You Can Heal Your Life. Okay. So those who are completely new and they want to build a habit of reading, so they can note it down. The first book, you have to start with the first book, Power of Subconscious Mind. And the second one is You Can Heal Your Life. So that's all about the day one. Now, any question, any query? Ramesh?
No.
Your voice is breaking. Your voice is cracking. Hello. So anyone, any query? Kamal, Guru, Sahu, Malay, Kalyan, Ramesh?
No queries from my side. The session was good.
Okay.
I look for second day.
So I hope this is clear to everyone. We talked about the psychology of habit, right? Cue, routine,
Yes,
and the reward.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we talk about how many days are required to build a habit. So it's not about the days. You are building your habit for your life. Habit is just like a saplings, एक छोटे पौधे की तरह है, that you have to nurture every single day. And all the good and bad habits is part of your subconscious mind programming. Okay. Then we talk about anti-procrastination habit. If you want to build anti-procrastination habit, block your time. Okay. Set the alarms. Then follow 80-20 rules. Then ask yourself, if I will not do this, so what is the side effect? यदि मैं ये काम नहीं करूंगा तो इसके disadvantage क्या होंगे? Then we talk about the belief system. Our beliefs are affecting our life. Our beliefs are the key factor who decide our success. So we talk about the limiting belief, we talk about the empowering belief. So you can note down your limiting belief, right? And we will make it a positive belief. Okay. Then we talk about the subconscious mind and conscious mind, and how you can program your subconscious mind. So two things I would like to share about the subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is very much active 24/7. 24 घंटे वो active रहता है. Now also your subconscious mind is working, but the best time to program your subconscious mind is just before sleeping in night. Okay. And second one is morning, the moment you wake up. Okay. So it's a better ki before sleeping you give some positive thoughts to your subconscious mind, like I am happy, I am healthy, I am successful, right? I am a successful person, I am fearless, I am confident, right? I am excellent speaker. Okay. So positive thoughts you can feed to your subconscious mind before sleeping, and in morning the moment you wake up, that time also you recall the positive thoughts. Okay. तो उस समय आप subconscious mind को अच्छे से प्रोग्राम कर सकते हैं. Okay. So that's all from my side in today's session. So tomorrow we will cover some other topic. So if you are having any query, you can text me on WhatsApp. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
So thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Thank you so much for your time. Right.
Thank you. Thank you. See you
Thank you.
tomorrow.
Thank you so much, Kamal, Kalyan, Malay, Ramesh, Sahu. Thank you so much, Guru. Thank you so much.